guys, so today I have a surprise for y'all. Look who's here today. So our visitor today is guess who? This is a new member of our family, my new cousin, the youngest cousin I have. Here she is. So her name is. She's crying. She's crying. No. Or should I touch? Maybe there's, like needle or like part. Or should I touch? In her feet? Her feet na lang. So guys, yeah. Her birthday is today is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. It's July 18 and today is July 21. So she is currently 3 days old. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a video progress where I'm going to show you um how fast she grows. Like she is currently 3 days old. So I just want to document it, guys. I just wanted to do a vlog of her just 3 days old. So yeah, guys, my grandparents are not here. Kaya sila sa Madridejos. They're at Madridejos. Like they took a vacation, and me and my sister are in charge of the store, and my other sister is rich 3, and we just my sister is in charge morning, and then my first ate is the one in charge at 12 until 5 or 6, cuz since we have a class, as you can see, I'm still wearing an ID because I'm from the school. So he's so yeah, guys. My class will start at 1 p.m. and then my class will end at 7 or 8. There's no exact time since this month is really, it has so many like happenings, like ash fall, the eruption of Volcan Canlaon here in Philippines, and then there's also like Baguio, and then storeroom is in 4th floor, guys niya. Since naman siya sa 4th floor, dali ra kay ni like maigo sa kilat, and then earlier, guys, kay like makita ra gay namang horizon where the sky meets the sea, and dako kayo ang tornado, guys, like na siya real full, like something like that. Hoy, ikaw ira ka ba? Sino may ira, guys? Tawi! So, na siya ano. So, earlier lang doy, like, grabe kayo ang mga happenings this month. Sige uwan, like, sige na lang ka-suspend or shorten among class kay. Paghapon kay na shorten among class, like, nanguli mi kay 6:30, something like that. Or wala pa may kabutog 7 kay Kay kusugayo ang kidlat day, like murag gyud ka nang mukirig na misa kuan, like the thunderstorm is, I mean the lightning is so strong. I don't know. Big. So guys, I forgot things easily na since I'm already at senior high school, first year senior high school, guys. So grabe, like it's been so much. Don't mind my vocabulary, guys. So there's a lot of happenings lately. Like every day I'm always drained. Hilak na po siya. She's crying again. So day karon day kay I just wanted to tell you know what happened today. So about today guys, kay na late ko. So nya akong kuan day mata ko og 6. Okay. Next ko na lang, next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. He says bye to. Bye guys. Bye guys. See you in my next upload.